Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So as you can see from the title, today we're gonna be making all white nails. Summer is almost here and it's time for the lighter colors. So let's put the boring dark winter colors aside and let's put some brightness into our lives. So let's just get started. So obviously I'm gonna file my nails a little bit, and I'm gonna file the surface and file the edges too. With the help of my spatula, I'll just push the cuticles back a little bit. And using the dehydrator, I'll just clean my nail. Next, I'll come in with my base coat. And I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I'll be using the Gershion pure white color. I'll get my dual form and make sure it fits my nail perfectly. And as you can see, this is milky white. I will take a little amount, and with the help of a slip liquid, I will just start shaping it up. I'll put it very close to my cuticle and push it down. I will cure this for a minute. So I'm all done now, and I'll just take off the dual forms. I'll come in with my file and just file the sides and the edges a little bit. Finally, I'll come in with my top coat. And ladies and gentlemen, here we are. They look so cool, and I'm really loving these white nails. So I have the purchase link in the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out. So this is it, guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you are gonna give it a try. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.